Welcome back to Scratch Superstars. Today we're building your first real game, a clicker. Every time you click the sprite, you'll earn points. Let's create a score tracker and make it interactive. Open Scratch and let's start. First, we need a variable to count our score. Look at the left sidebar. Click the orange variables category. See that button, Make a Variable? Click it now. A window pops up asking for a name. Type the word score in lowercase, then click OK. Perfect. You'll see score appear on your stage showing 0. Now let's set the score to 0 when the game starts. Click the yellow events category. Drag the When Green Flag Clicked block to your coding area. Great, that's our starting point. Next, click back to orange variables. Find the Set Variable to 0 block. Change variable to score and attach it under the green flag block. Good. Now every time we start the game, the score resets to 0. Here's the fun part, making clicks count. We need another events block. Go back to yellow events category. This time, find when the sprite clicked. It's a separate trigger block. Drag that to an empty space in your coding area. Don't connect it to the first block. It stands alone. Now, every time someone clicks the sprite, we want the score to go up by 1. Click orange variables again. Find Change Score by 1 and snap it under the When this sprite clicked block. Perfect. Let's test it. Click the green flag at the top to start the game. Now click your sprite, watch the score counter. It goes up by 1 each time. Click it again. 2, 3, 4. You've built a working clicker game. Amazing work. You've learned variables and click events. 2 super important coding concepts. In the next lesson, we'll add sound effects to make your game even more fun. See you then!